Huh. Still remember this place. Although, huh. I don't really remember why I remember this place. Maybe it's because of you.
Remember me?
You were the one who tried to kill me. May I ask why?
Because of the value of your gloves. I've come for revenge.
Oh yeah? Well, why don't you come and get it? Or do you want me to come to you? Either way, I'll kick your ass. You know you can't win, and you still want to try? I like your attitude. It's gonna take more than that to take me down.
Give it back.
Here you go then.
Come on.
What? Whoa. Fuck, bitch. Bullets still don't work.
Ha! It is easy to block your bullets with a sword. I am called swordsman for a reason. Wait, what the hell?
Come on. Regenerate, I know you can.
You're gonna pay for that.
It has acid? Ah, what the? Piss off. Get off me.
Indeed it has acid, don't you remember?
Much better, you know what? I remember now. Ah, well then. Ow, ow, ow. The acid's real strong. What the fuck? Damn it.
What? Are you giving up already? Cause it seems so. Death already?
Nuh-uh.
Hey, you. My leg.
Damn it.
Ow. What the hell? Help.
Huh? It appears the acid from his sword is starting to affect him. If I somehow disable his regeneration, I'll be able to kill him, giving him a taste of his own medicine. I'm guessing his regeneration is tied to his sword.
No. The sword. Or it hurts someone. Stop this. Torture. Ouch. Damn you, Beaver man. Auk. Help. It's unbearable. My bones. What the fuck did I do to deserve this? Please. Someone.
Damn, that's a horrifying way to go out. Ugh. I'm tired.